Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to inflate a foil balloon easily. This will be a very easy tutorial, but also full tutorial. So let's get right into the video. So it'll be a simplistic tutorial, but also a complete tutorial, because I'm going to be showing you how to do it from start to finish. So this is a foil balloon that we used at my twin daughter's first birthday party, which at the time of filming this was a couple of weeks ago. By the time I release this video, it will have been much longer before that in the past, but at the time of filming this was a couple of weeks ago. What I did was I deflated the foil balloon so that I could use it to show you how to reuse foil balloons. So you can actually deflate them. I've done a separate video on that, so check that out. And then when you're ready to inflate them again, all that you need is a straw. What you're going to do is you're going to look on the foil balloon for a little opening like that. You see that opening right there? Okay, you're going to be able to see some foil color inside of it like that. You're going to take the straw, you're going to insert it into that foil opening, and sometimes you're going to have to go quite far down. Other times you're going to be able to inflate it just by sort of inserting it into the opening a little bit. And that's because the balloon, the foil on the inside of the balloon sticks together, right, as it deflates. You want to sort of get into the balloon so that you can go past the sticky part, okay? Then all that you need to do is just blow into the straw. And as you blow into the straw, you're going to be inflating the balloon, okay? Now it will take a while, but you will continually inflate the balloon more and more. As you can see right here, it's starting to inflate quite a bit. And you want to make sure that when you're blowing into the straw, that you don't feel the air blowing back at your face. Because if I had not inserted it all the way, if I had inserted it only a little bit, the air is just blowing back at my face. It's not going into the balloon. So you want to make sure you get right into the balloon. And you will be able to inflate the balloon. You can see it's already starting to be inflated. Now the thing is, you're limited to how much air can pass through the straw. So obviously it's going to take you a while, depending on the size of the balloon. But if you consider how much money you're going to be saving by reusing these balloons, then you're good to go. I mean, it's totally worth it in my opinion. Sometimes, you just sort of, cut the balloons when you're done and you have to buy new ones, and these things can be quite expensive. So I figured I'd show you how to reuse them because I have 4 young kids. So over the birthday parties over the years, I have a 5-year-old at the time of filming this, a 3.5-year-old, and twin 1-year-olds. So over these birthday parties, we've all bought new foil balloons. But I figured, we could reuse them. Now this one is a first birthday balloon, so I actually can't reuse this one, but I figured that I'd use it for this tutorial. And when you're done, you can stick this together if it still has some adhesive on it, or you can always just put a little piece of tape over here, right? Or you can even twist it like this, right? And then put a little piece of tape like this, just to seal the air in there, because the air can escape from there. And remove the straw, or else the air will escape through the straw as well. But that's it. That's how to inflate or even re-inflate a foil balloon. Hopefully it saves you some money and it gets you able to use your foil balloons over and over again instead of making them one-time uses. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure, and sorry, before I finish this, I'm actually just about to film some harmonica videos. So on a side note, if you're interested in learning the harmonica, subscribe. And I got lots of tutorials as well. But just because I have my harmonica sitting over there, if you're interested in some harmonica lessons, subscribe, because they will be coming around the time that I release this video, probably a little bit before and a little bit after. So that's basically it, aside from that side note. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.